Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019, Question 14. The process of maintaining a steady internal environment is known as A. Osmoregulation, B. Equilibration, C. Homeostasis, D. Plasmolysis. Osmoregulation. Now, osmoregulation refers to what? The maintenance or the regulation. Let's go with the regulation of moisture content, moisture or water content in animals. The regulation of moisture content in animals is osmoregulation. Equilibration, actually I don't know what this means. This is not even a correct word. We have homeostasis. Now homeostasis refers to the maintenance of a steady internal environment in living organisms. Now osmoregulation here is a type of homeostasis. Lastly, we have plasmolysis. Now plasmolysis is entirely something different. It's the shrinking away. Plasmolysis, this refers to the shrinking away of the cytoplasm from the cell wall. Now plasmolysis occurs in only plants. So our answer for this particular question is homeostasis. The maintenance of a steady internal environment is called homeostasis. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to our channel.